So point of view disposable camera app, how to use it. So in this quick tutorial, I will just try to share it with you, this app. And yeah, this app honestly is pretty cool idea and great execution. I didn't find any other like alternatives in this area. So first of all, what is that? So like, you know, there are a lot of these disposable camera apps. There are Labs, Dispo, whatever. So this is one of those, but this is the app to use for parties, weddings, and events. So this is not like your personal disposable camera Instagram app. This is like, for example, you have, let's say, wedding, and you wanna, you know, just for your guests to take different photos. And sometimes, so for, or you have like office party, and for example, at my work, we had like you know, office manager buying like 5, 10 these one-time use Polaroid cameras, and each of the guests can just take some random photos. And then if you just use these physical Polaroid cameras, the photos can be printed out. And but then you just need to buy all of these cameras. You need to like distribute them. You need them to collect those, and then yeah, just basically just print out all of these photos and just digitize them. I don't even know the process, and just put them in Google Drive somewhere. So this is the app which replaces all of that process. It's pretty cool. So you can and also like you can say, oh right, it's in the app, but everyone needs to download the app. People hate to download apps. Nope, only you need to download the app as a party organizer, and guests can just take photos via link, via just opening the camera in browser. So guests can just scan a code or tap on the link and don't have to download this app to participate. And then camera is completely customizable. You can determine how many photos each of your guests can take. The gallery can reveal during the event, or you can make people wait until the next day. But like the thing is, you also as an organizer, you can set up the privacy setting that guests can only see photos after you moderated those. So that's also cool. So yep, let's just take a look, and I will show you the process. So here is the how it looks like, the home screen. So here I just have like point of view like event, where I just can create it. So I just tap on the plus icon and I create a new event. So here is what I have. I don't know like how many events you can create on a free version. But yeah, at least I already created 2. And then this is like, can be your wedding or your office party, your birthday party. And then here you have that. You just set it up, like how many guests I want to have here. You can set up to 10 guests for free. Then you just set up the period. Then you set up when you want to reveal photos, either during the event, after event, or like 24 hours after. Then you set up the filters. It can be different types of filters. And then you set up how many photos per person you want to include. And then, yep, then what you do is that's just like you share the code. So you just tap on this QR code, and then this is how you invite your guests to this event. And then you just tap share, and then that's basically how you share. So basically people can just scan the QR code. They don't need to download the app, and then they will participate in this event. That's quite convenient. You can also change the design here and all of that. And then basically, so yeah, you have that. And then your friends can just imagine they're opening the link, and then they will just have this take photos. And then they just take a photo. You have, like, for example, I only have 10 shots available, and you just take those. You see the settings. And then here's the setting as admin I was talking about, that as an admin, I can set up that guests can view the gallery. I can edit it out, like remove all the weird photos and stuff, and then I can enable that guests can view the gallery. So that's kind of handy feature, because you don't know what photos people can take and all of that. So just to be safe, I think you can enable this kind of privacy. So yep, that's what it is. And then you have, then you just take photos. and then they will appear later. So for example, here was the previous party, and I just have the photos revealed here. So this is some kind of format like that, which you can see. That's how it worked. And then you can see, you can delete specific photos, you can share it. That's what it is. And then you also have some kind of nice templates which you can use to create some kind of interesting, cool photos and just share them on Instagram or whatever. And then you can just select my point of view or select someone else's point of view. So yeah, pretty cool app. And then you just have your account, just like your username, your profile, where you can just do that. If you don't like the account, you can always just delete your account. Yeah, if you don't like specific photo, you can just go and delete specific photo. I don't know if you can. You can delete the camera as well. So yep, that's the app.